In front of me is TECNO Pova 6 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Gallery app and selecting photos or albums at the bottom. Either way, if you selected your photos that you wish to get rid of, you need to hold one of them and click on those type of icons at the top right corners to select multiple right away. To keep some photos, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!